Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you whenever you are encountered with this issue. So here are some things that you can follow to fix it up. First thing, you need to check out your date, time. It should be correct. Otherwise, it will give you this error. Second thing you need to do is to clear your browsing history. So here's the thing. Here's how you can do it. You go to history, you go to clear browsing data, and you just clear the cache. Now uncheck browsing history, download history, cookies or other data. Just you need to clear the cached images and files. You clear that one. I'm not gonna do it, so I'm just gonna show you. You clear that one and you restart your PC. It will fix your issue. And if you still encountered with this issue, what you need to do is to go to settings, or you can directly go to network, status. You go to change adaptive settings. You go to properties. There you need to type the DNS. You can just put the Google DNS, which is 8888 tab 8844. Click OK, and just restart your PC and hit your Chrome again, and it will definitely solve your issue. Thanks.